Welcome, in front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold power key, and you should see the boot options. From here, once you see them, what you want to do is hold power off. Now, before I actually do this, I will warn you that once the device starts shutting off, it will make this annoyingly loud sound, so just, be warned. So, hold power off. It will change into reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK. So once it boots back up, you will see that there is a safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner of the display. And in this mode, only the most essential apps will be working. Anything else that would normally start in the background will be completely disabled from starting. And this is so you can test if, for instance, your device has a problem. Some app is causing a problem to your phone. So, I don't know, it's running slow or something is not working properly. And if, for instance, the problem still persists, then you'll probably already figure it out that it's not based on the app that you have installed, but more with the device itself malfunctioning. And there we go. As you can see, there is the mark right here, safe mode. So the device is now in the desired mode. As you can see, there's the clock widget not even opening, so it just kind of has this clock icon and nothing there. So yeah, that is basically how you would boot it into it. And once you're done with it, simply hold power key once more, and this time tap on reboot and confirm it. And once the device is back on, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.